Recent statistics show an increase in deaths caused by cardiovascular diseases. In the United States alone, 805,000 people suffer from a heart attack each year, and it's largely because of a nutrient-deficient diet which increases blood lipid levels, high blood pressure, and heart disease. That's why experts tell us to eat a rainbow diet filled with colorful foods, so you're sure to get your fair share of nutrients that your body needs. But which colorful foods should you eat? Purple foods have a distinct and vibrant color, and they may even help prevent heart attacks and other heart-related diseases. So today, we'll share the best purple foods that are great for your heart health. Let's count down the 5 amazing purple foods that can prevent heart attacks. We'll also give you the key nutrients that these purple foods contain and how they benefit your heart health. But before we get down to our list of amazing purple foods, can you do us a favor and like this video? Ring the bell for future notifications and make sure to subscribe to my lymphoma channel for more help on managing your blood health. And stick around to find out how you can get your free gift. And now, let's get into the amazing purple foods for heart attack prevention, starting with number 5, eggplant. Although we often think of this food as a vegetable, eggplants are actually a fruit. And they're part of the nightshade group of plants which are full of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. And eggplants have their distinct purple hue because of a pigment known as anthocyanins. This specific compound has antioxidant effects which fight unstable molecules called free radicals. And these molecules are at the heart of many diseases. Not only that, this food also offers many benefits for cardiovascular health. A study looked at the effects of eggplant consumption in animals with high cholesterol levels, and after giving eggplant extract to a group of rabbits, the results showed that they experienced lower levels of LDL cholesterol after 14 days. What's more, their triglyceride levels also went down. This is important because lower LDL cholesterol and lower triglycerides mean that you're less likely to suffer from heart problems in the future. And further research shows that eating eggplant for a month can enhance cardiovascular functions and lower the risk of heart disease. This is good news because that means you can enjoy eggplant every day without worrying about any side effects. They go well with a lot of dishes and you can cook them in so many ways. Number 4, figs. This purple-colored food comes from the ficus tree, and they're also packed with health-boosting nutrients. And if you've got a sweet tooth, figs are the perfect purple treat. Back when processed sugar wasn't a thing yet, figs were often the sweetener of choice. A regular serving of figs will give you a helping of fiber, calcium, protein, healthy fats, carbohydrates, iron, and magnesium. And when it comes to your heart, figs also give you a good dose of vitamin B6, which lowers inflammation, especially in blood vessels. And with lower inflammation comes lower blood pressure, and ultimately, lower odds of a heart attack. Figs are also a good source of copper, and research shows that a lack of copper in your diet can lead to a higher chance of getting a heart attack and other related diseases. In fact, animal research shows that rats were given 100 milligrams of fig extract, and as a result, they experienced lower blood pressure over a 3-week period. Other research also shows that figs help reduce cholesterol and triglyceride levels in just over 2 weeks. While more studies need to be done on humans, these results definitely show the potential of figs on our heart health. Before we check out the next purple food, don't forget to download your free ebook. It's called How I Coped with My Cancer Diagnosis, and you can check it out in the description below. Number 3, beetroot. This is another distinctly unique purple food that has a special taste and aroma, and it also contains a lot of nutrients and plant-based compounds that heal you from within. For instance, beetroot gives you a combination of protein, vitamins B6 and C, folate, iron, carbohydrates, and manganese. Now, folate in particular is especially important in keeping your heart healthy and strong. Better yet, beetroot also plays a big role in keeping your blood pressure down. That's because of dietary nitrates, which cause blood vessels to dilate and, in turn, reduce blood pressure. And as a side benefit, these nitrates also naturally enhance performance when it comes to sports and exercise. Eating beets or drinking beet juice 2 hours before any strenuous physical activity can boost blood oxygen levels, and that will help you go faster, longer, and stronger. One study looked at people with high blood pressure, and researchers found that taking just 500 grams of beet juice every day for 14 days helped them lower their blood pressure in a matter of hours. Number 2. Plums. Here's another heart-friendly food that you can add to your list. While there are different varieties of plums, the dark purple-red kind are the most recognizable. They also come in a dried form called prunes, which have health benefits as well. Plums are packed with protein, fiber, fat, carbs, and potassium. And because this purple food is nutrient-dense, plums pack a punch when it comes to fighting high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Researchers studied the effects of prunes that were immersed in water overnight, and the participants showed greatly reduced blood pressure after consuming both the fruit and juice for 2 months. Meanwhile, other studies show that prunes are great at cutting down LDL cholesterol levels. Now, if you're deciding whether to enjoy plums as they are or in their dried form as prunes, you should know that prunes tend to have higher fiber, carbs, and calories. But when it comes to other nutritional content, plums and prunes are pretty much the same. So, it's really just a matter of preference. The important thing is that you make this purple food a regular part of your diet. And now, it's time to reveal our number 1 purple food, Acai Berry. This fruit makes for a great smoothie and an excellent breakfast companion. Like the other foods on this list, acai berries feature a vibrant purple exterior, and they've got a rich, earthy flavor which has hints of berry and dark chocolate. These berries hail from Central and South America, and they're usually eaten as a paste, puree, or dried powder which you can include in breakfast bowls. Acai berries are rich in nutrients such as vitamin A, calcium, healthy fats, carbs, natural sugars, and fiber. You'll also get a good helping of minerals like copper, iron, manganese, potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus. And like the other foods on this list, acai berries are naturally infused with powerful plant-based compounds that counteract oxidative damage. In fact, these berries are incredibly dense with antioxidants that combat inflammation and cell damage, ultimately protecting your heart from debilitating diseases. Evidence from research points out that antioxidants can turn the tide when it comes to fighting cardiovascular illnesses such as heart attacks. You'll also be pleased to know about a study that shows that taking just 100 grams of acai pulp twice a day can slash LDL cholesterol levels by a lot. After looking at the effects of acai on overweight participants, researchers found that it only took a month to improve their cholesterol levels. So, the bottom line is that purple foods are rich in natural, heart-healthy nutrients. And that concludes today's video. Let us know in the comments what your favorite purple food is, whether it's on our list or not. Also, give us a like and subscribe to my lymphoma channel if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to download your free ebook. It's called How I Coped with My Cancer Diagnosis, and you can check it out in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.